Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox keeps crashing and freezing in Windows. First, we are going to try and clear Roblox cache. To do that, let's search run and let's open this up. And what we're going to type in here is percentage local app data percentage /temp. Hit OK. And once this folder opens up, you're going to search for the Roblox folder, and it's in here for me. And what we're going to do is to right click on it and click on delete. And once you're done deleting the cache, you should try and open Roblox again and see if that solves your problem. If it does not, you can go ahead and open up your browser and we can check if the servers of Roblox is running well. So we can go to the site status.roblox.com, and from here, if the system is down, that might be the cause of the crashing. If not, if it says all systems operational, we can go to the next step. What we're going to do is to search for Roblox, or you can also right click on it if you have a shortcut on your desktop. Right click and click on run as administrator and see if that solves your problem. The next step will be to search for app and select add or remove programs. And from here, we are going to look for the Roblox player, and we select it, and we are going to uninstall the Roblox player. And after you have uninstalled it, just open up your browser and go to roblox.com/download, and we are going to reinstall Roblox and see if that works for you. Another way would be to ensure that you have the latest graphics driver. To do that, we are going to search for Device Manager. Let's open this up. Let's expand the display adapters by clicking on this little arrow beside it. Right-click on our graphics card and click on Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers and ensure that you have the best drivers already installed. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.